Thanks for tuning in to PR's Realm. Today I had the pleasure of receiving a new phone called the Posh Kick Pro LTE L520. It's not a very popular phone, but it was a very good price, so I figured I'd try it out as my secondary phone. I'm going to open up the box today, and then I'll get back to you in about a month or so. Okay, so it comes with a charger, the USB cable, headphones, the case, protective case. It does have the screen protector, so it has all the protection coming with it. This is the phone. Battery. See, I'm going to do that last. Here's the peeling off of the label. It's a 4G Lite phone, quad-core processor, 5-inch HD and LCD, 8GB ROM, 1GB RAM. Takes micro SD card. It has a dual SIM card. Just wanted to add, as I'm putting it in right now, as you see right here, this is the slot for that micro SD card. And then, like I said, there's two slots, look closer, for SIM cards. I recently purchased this phone as a secondary phone, so I just needed something decent. Something that might play a few games, hold a few apps, and of course, make phone calls and texts. Upon first impression, I was very impressed. The positives: music plays very nicely, very decent speakers. The looks, it looks great. The value, excellent, very good price. It comes with a lot of stuff: screen protector, gel case, charger, charging cable, and earbuds. Well, that's where the good things stop. The cameras, front facing 5 megapixel, rear facing 8 megapixel. Pictures look like 2 megapixels or less. As you see on this screen, that's about the quality of the pictures, either way, with or without the flash. Pictures are blurry. Sometimes they're too dark to be seen. Sometimes they just look like a blur of light. Apps and performance. Apps move very slowly. Download time takes a long time. Sometimes apps freeze up. Sometimes the phone freezes up. And to top it off, not all the apps seem to work to full capacity. Overall, I'd give the phone a 1 star, and that's only because it looks great and the music is decent. The Posh Kick LTE 4G unlocked L520 phone. Thanks for watching PR's Realm. Stay tuned for more videos. www.youtube.com/PRSREALM